Bleeding in the first trimester with no uterine contraction or pain and no dilatation of cervix indicates option A, inevitable abortion, option B, threatened abortion, option C, missed abortion, option D, complete abortion. And the answer is option B, threatened abortion. Abortion is the spontaneous loss of conception or pregnancy before 20 weeks. Threatened abortion means bloody vaginal discharge with a closed cervix without passage of products of conception. And it doesn't necessarily mean your pregnancy will end in this miscarriage. More threatened abortion ends with a live birth also. Next is inevitable abortion. Vaginal bleeding with progressive dilatation of cervix, but the conception products are not expelled. Next, missed abortion. Missed abortion occurs when implantation occurs, but it failed to develop. In this missed abortion, there may be no signs of miscarriage, even bleeding also. But in some women may experience some vaginal discharge and cramping. Sometimes the body will expel the fetal tissue, but other times D&C procedure is necessary. Next, complete abortion. Here, all the pregnancy tissue is expelled from the uterus. Question number 2. Which of the following describes a decreased number of platelets? Option A, thrombectomy. Option B, thrombocytopenia. Option C, thrombocytopathy. Option D, thrombocytosis. And the answer is option B, thrombocytopenia. An abnormal decrease in number of platelets called thrombocytopenia or thrombopenia. Thrombectomy means surgical removal of thrombus. Thrombocytopathy is deficient or decreased function of platelets. And thrombocytosis is the increase in number of platelets. Next, question number 3. Dash is the drug used for maintaining a CVP line. Option A, heparin. Option B, dopamine. Option C, atropine. Option D, xylocaine. And the answer is option A, heparin. CVP is the pressure within the superior vena cava. It reflects the pressure in the right atrium. The normal CVP level is 5 to 10 cm of water or 3 to 8 mm of mercury. High CVP indicates circulatory overload, whereas low CVP indicates hypovolemia. Position to be maintained for CVP monitoring is supine with 45-degree head end elevation. Heparin is an anticoagulant used to prevent clot or occlusion in extracorporeal circuits or CVP line. Dopamine is a peripheral vasostimulant used for the treatment of low BP, low heart rate and cardiac arrest conditions. Atropine is an anticholinergic agent usually used to treat certain types of poisonings as well as low heart rate and to decrease saliva production during surgeries. Next, xylocaine. Xylocaine used to prevent and relieve pain during certain medical procedures. Xylocaine available as with or without epinephrine. And the fourth question is, group for increased risk for herpes zoster is option A, pregnant woman. Option B, patients with atopic dermatitis. Option C, infants with congenital infections. Option D, patients with advanced age. The answer is option D, patients with advanced age. In old age, immunity against herpes zoster virus will be reduced. The last question. Herpes zoster is a common disease caused by option A, blood disorder. Option B, nerve disorder. Option C, viral infection. Option D, unhygienic skin condition. And the answer is viral infection. Herpes zoster or shingles caused by reattack of varicella zoster virus or chickenpox second time. And this herpes zoster mainly affecting nerve endings. It's diagnosed by Tisang test or viral culture. In herpes zoster or shingles, we have to monitor for 7th cranial nerve because there is more chance to get facial palsy or Bell's palsy.